How to use Logitech G29 steering wheel in Forza Horizon 6. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your browser and then make sure you download Logitech G Hub. There you go. Now click the first link, go to download G Hub for Windows, and then run the installer. Now I already have it right here. Here you go, Logitech G Hub. And if you already have the program, make sure you update it. Now I already have a Logitech mouse. Once you connect your steering wheel, the steering wheel is automatically gonna pop up in here. Now once you do that, simply head over to Forza Horizon 6, go to Campaign, Settings, go to Controls, and then go to Wheel. And make sure you assign every single one of these commands to the steering wheel. And there you go. That's how to use your Logitech G29 on Forza Horizon 6. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.